So how to download your Tide banking statements. So to download your banking statements on Tide, if you open up the Tide app, you'll just want to click on the details section right here. And then once you've done that, to view your statements, you can check them out here at Statements and Documents. Then from there, go to Account Statements, and you'll be brought through to this page here, where you'll then get the opportunity to pull up statements from whatever period you'd like. And that includes a custom one as well at the top. But for the example of this video, let's say we want October 2025. And then once you've clicked on your statement, you can go ahead and view it from there. And if you'd like to download it, you can click share here and it will give you the opportunity to download it from there. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.